Hello, welcome to our video. Today I'm really excited to show you this phone. It's made by VIVIFI. It's called the VIVIFI Affinity phone. Now VIVIFI is a UK manufacturer, so you've got peace of mind that this is a UK manufacturer and you've got UK warranty and things. And let's first of all talk about the quality of this phone. It's really well built. You can have a look at the materials used. They've not scrimped on this. It really does look like a nice piece of kit. Nice glass screen. We've got a front facing camera. We've got a back facing camera with a dual LED flash. We've got the capacitive touch buttons on here. We've got the sound rocker. We've got on and off button. You've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, and then on this side we've got also camera buttons, but on this side this is really excellent. You've got the USB obviously for charging and data transfer, but you've also, if you have a look on here, you've also got HDMI. Now that's really great, because you can attach that to your HDMI enabled TV or HD TV and watch movies, pictures, games all on your HD. So you could use this as a little media center or a little games machine if you want, and have it on the big screen. So that's really great. Only premium phones have this, so that's a great feature to have. Okay, so let's put the SIMs in and have a little play. Now, to get the back off, what you need to do is press this little button here and then take the back off just like that. Now this is a dual SIM phone, but you can use one SIM if you want to. Dual SIM phones are great, gives you more versatility, because you can have one SIM for work, one SIM for personal, or one SIM for internet and one SIM for phone calls. But choice is up to you really. Right, the memory card goes in here too, and the SIM cards, as you saw, they just got one above the other, and the battery goes in there. Put the back, put the cover back on, clips on, and there we have it. That's on. Okay, while that's turning on, let's have a look at the accessories that you get. Now this phone is sheer quality, because look, the headphones that it comes with are beautiful. They are really a premium set of headphones. Really good sound quality out of them as well. Premium headphones here, and these headphones also double up as a microphone, so you can take your phone calls with it too. So excellent pair of headphones. Then we've got the standard charger cable. You can charge it via your PC, or you can buy an optional USB charger from us too. Sadly, this phone doesn't come with a manual, but it's very straightforward to use anyway, so you don't really need a manual. Now, as a bonus, we're going to give you one of these. We're going to throw these in too as a little bonus from us. Now, this is like a back cover to keep your phone nice and protected. That will just slip on over there, and it's all fitted, and it keeps it nice and protected. So that's a little bonus that we're going to chuck in for you as well. That's worth $4.99, so we're going to give that to you as a bonus. Okay, now that the phone started, you can see this is the Android ice cream sandwich lock screen. So what I need to do is just go across here to unlock camera or phone. Let's unlock it for now. Now you can see this is the Android ice cream sandwich. It's running Android 4, so it's a very up-to-date system there. Very stable and very quick. As you can see, it runs really nicely and very quick. Okay, this is running a dual-core 1.2 GHz processor. It's really quick. It's blazingly fast, and I have no lag, nothing. This phone won't let you down. The CPU is just fantastic. Now let me just show you some of the features. Down here we've got a phone, we've got address book, we've got our app tray, we've got messaging, internet. So obviously this has got two SIMs, but you can put one SIM, it doesn't matter. If I wanted to dial out a number, I do so like that, or I can go from the address book or recent calls. I make the call, and then you can see it will ask me what SIM I want to call out from, either my EE or my O2 card that I've got on there. So that's really handy. Text messaging is the same. So I would write out a text message. Let's like write out a text message. I can choose who to go to, or just dial up a number. Let's just dial up some stuff there, and then when I go to send, again it will ask me which SIM I want it going out from. When you receive a call, it will tell you which SIM that you're receiving that call from. Text messaging is the same, it will tell you what SIM you're receiving that text message from as well. So you have total control. Remember, this is like carrying two phones at the same time. There's no switching. As you can see, both those SIMs are active at the same time. So as you can see down here, I'm connected to O2 and EE. So if any of those SIM cards ring, the phone will ring. Like I said, two phones in one. Now let's talk about this screen. This screen is superb. It is just gorgeous. It is really smooth. It is so sensitive. I can just touch with my fingers there, and it recognizes that touch and it responds instantly. Very important when you've got a touchscreen phone to have a responsive touchscreen. It's multi-touch, so it can do 5 touches. As you can see, it tracks 5 points, so that makes the whole experience a lot more accurate and a lot more pleasurable to use. The touchscreen, the screen is a HD screen, so the pixel density is really good. If I bring that up here, can you see the pixels? No, because the pixel density is really good. Lots of pixels in a small amount of space, so you can't see the pixels really that easily. Look, I can bring it right up, and the definition of those pictures is really good. The viewing angle is really good as well. As you can see, there's a bit of glare because of my lights, but the angle is really good. Naturally, this has auto rotate as well, so if I rotate it this way, the picture will rotate. These pictures are quite large, and it's processing it really easily. Look, I'm going really fast, and it's processing all of those pictures really quickly. Let me show you a video just so you can appreciate this screen. It's a great screen, trust me, it's a great screen. Nice little feature as well, the capacitive buttons on the bottom, they light up, so in the dark you can see what's going on. That's a really nice little feature. Let's have a quick look at the camera. So, this has got an 8 megapixel camera. It's actually got a 5 megapixel sensor, but with some clever software it can do up to 8 megapixel resolutions. Now you can see the camera is really clear. It's got autofocus, it's got zoom, and it's a really nice clear picture, as you can see. Obviously you can do videos as well, and it's got some nice features like panoramic pictures, so I can take lots of pictures and make a very big picture out of it. And it's got the usual scene settings and things. I can do different scenes. There's lots of settings on here that I can play with. What you'd expect from a smartphone, really. So yeah, very comprehensive camera that. Right, what I'd like to do now is show you a few games so you can see the performance of this phone. This has got a 1.2 GHz dual core processor, so it is really capable, and it's got the dedicated 3D processor too, and that works really well for games. So let me just show you a few games. Okay, so that's it on the gaming front. I could show you more, but you get the general idea. As you can see, it's a super capable phone, able to handle all of those 3D games with ease, thanks to its dual core 1.2 GHz processor and that dedicated 3G chip that it's got. Now, another thing I wanted to show you, if I just pull down this notification tray, you'll see I've got some quick settings. From here I can turn off the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, turn the GPS on and off, and data connection. Now that's important because if you've got data coming out of one SIM, you can choose which SIM it comes out of. Or you may have data from both SIMs. Again, you can choose what SIM you want the data coming from, and importantly, you can turn it off too. You've got some quick sound profiles as well, so you can turn it on to silent, meeting and such. So that's very handy to have that on there. Now, the other thing that VIVIFI have included is the Google Play Store. Now, the Play Store is extremely important because that's where the Google Android ecosystem lives, because from here I can download new games, new applications, books, magazines, movies, everything, and it makes the whole experience easier to deal with, because I can look for what I want here, I can search for anything specifically that I want here and just install it by just a click from my phone. I don't need to hunt around for it on my PC, then transfer it onto here and all that malarkey. I can just do it from the comfort of the phone. So the Play Store is definitely something that you do need to make your user experience with the whole Android ecosystem that much more smoother and fluid. And you can see it works really, really nicely. The other thing that the phone has as well that it supports is BBC iPlayer. Now, BBC iPlayer is superb because you can catch up on all your favourite shows and have it like a little media player, if you like. So you can watch all your favourite shows and stuff wherever you want. Is really, really good to have. The other knockout feature of this phone is this HDMI port. Now, with that HDMI port, you can watch your movies and videos and your games and stuff all on your HD TV, and it will push those out at 1080p, remember, so full HD. So that's just fantastic. So I hope that gives you a quick overview of this wonderful phone. It really is a premium phone with superb build quality from an excellent manufacturer, VIVIFI, in the UK, and using the best quality materials, the best hardware, and at an absolutely superb price. This literally is the best phone that we've done. I would highly recommend it, and I hope you choose to buy one. Should you have any questions, do drop us a line, but you won't be disappointed in this phone. Thank you very much for watching the video.